Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another unboxing today. I have a couple of small items from Dior as well as a Chanel handbag, which I'm very excited about. So with that, I'll just jump into it. I'll start off with the Dior pieces, which were very kind gifts from my sister. She recently went on a trip to Europe, and while she was there, she picked me up a couple of pieces that I was interested in as a gift. So they come in these little bags, and the first item comes in this little box. I will just try to slide it off. Okay, so it comes with the very cute, I should have shown it before I undid it. I'll show the next one. It comes with the cute Dior ribbon and box. Okay, to reveal this little pouch. And inside we have these Dior tribal earrings, or maybe it's tribal. I'm not exactly sure how it's pronounced in French, but this one's just a little undone. Okay, so Dior is very, I guess their iconic costume jewelry earrings have the two pearls. So there's a big pearl in the back and then a small pearl in the front. So this pair that my sister picked for me has the little CD, and yeah, I think they're a very modern take on a classic look. So I am very excited about these, and yeah, I love like the dangling effect. So this is the first item. So thank you to my sister. Okay, I'll just pop these here. Okay, so that was the first bag. So the second bag is similarly very little. To reveal another box of a similar size. I'll just put this here. So I'll actually show the packaging this time. So it comes beautifully wrapped. Dior packaging is just so gorgeous. So I will just try to slide this off again. Oops. Okay. To reveal another little pouch. Put these on the side. And we have another pair of costume jewelry earrings. So these ones are a little bit different in style. So these, let's see. Okay, yeah. So these have a little crystallized CD and a dangling pearl and little crystal. So I think these are so cute and dainty, and they're definitely a different style than the first pair. I would say the first pair was a little bit more modern, and I wouldn't say edgy, but you can wear them for more casual occasions, but also dress them up since they're so dangly. Whereas these ones I probably wouldn't really wear like casually. I don't think I would wear it with like a t-shirt or denim. I think it's a little bit more of a dressy look. So yes, thank you to my sister for these two pairs of costume jewelry earrings from Dior. Very excited to wear them. Okay, and now for the Chanel bag. I will take out the box, but then I think I'll actually film the unboxing from an aerial view just because it will be a little bit easier. But of course the bag comes with the gorgeous ribbon and camellia. And then the box, similarly beautifully wrapped. I have not opened this since I picked it up about 2 weeks ago, so I'm very excited to see the bag again. And my friend and I went to stop by the Chanel on Fifth Avenue, so kind of like the flagship store in Manhattan. It was a couple days after the new collection had launched, so I do think their stock was actually fairly good compared to other times. And I think because of that, we were able to see just a lot of different pieces. And I actually didn't know that they were going to have this particular bag, but it was one that I had been really interested in finding when I was last in Paris earlier this year. So I obviously did not find it that time, but yeah, like maybe it was just meant to be that I would find it in New York City. So when I saw it, I immediately knew that I had to get it. So yeah, I will now cut to the unboxing section. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this now. Oops, oh geez. Just put this on the side. Okay. Oh, this is very stuck. Okay. Okay, so it's in a black dust bag, so you can tell it's not a classic. To reveal the Chanel small cocoa handle in this gorgeous seasonal red color. And of course, it comes with like the booklet and all of that. Okay, so at this point, I will cut back to the seated portion. So I am so thrilled to have found this bag. I was really hoping to add a red Chanel bag to my collection. I don't have one yet. I only have black Chanel bags and I have a pink Chanel bag, but I was hoping to add red, which is a pretty classic color, but still a color and can add a pop to outfits. So this was from the 22A collection. So when I got to the boutique, I asked to see any small cocoa handles that they had, and the sales associate brought out this one, and he also brought out a beautiful green color, as well as kind of like, I wouldn't say mustard, but it was kind of like a mustardy yellow color, but a little bit more neutral, so it wasn't like super bright. So they had those colors, as well as, I'm assuming he had black, but I wasn't interested in black. So I immediately was very drawn to this one. So this one was like completely fresh from the back, so it still has like all the stickers on it. It has like the stickers on the hardware, and then cocoa handles come with a shoulder strap inside. So this one is attached already, but it has two compartments, as well as kind of like a really skinny middle compartment, which to be honest, I probably won't use. But so it has two compartments, like a front and a back, and you can see on the side, this is what it looks like. It has 4 little feet at the bottom. Let me just close it back up. And then it comes with this shoulder strap. I will say that on the cocoa handle, I can really only wear this as a shoulder bag. The strap is too short to crossbody, so it just hits at a weird place on my body because of this handle, like this sticks up. So I can either wear it on the shoulder, or you can also remove this strap and just carry it as a top handle bag, which I'll show you. So you can just completely remove this strap and you can just hold it as a top handle bag, which I think is very cute. So yes, I am so thrilled about having found this bag. It is pretty much exactly what I was looking for. I clearly did my nails and wore this outfit to kind of celebrate the fact that I finally got my red Chanel bag. And then it has the light gold champagne hardware. And I have noticed that on their new bags, the turn locks all have this little plaque. I don't know if you can see, but like on the CC, there's this little plaque, which the last seasonal bag I purchased did have that. That was like at the very end of 2021. I got a seasonal mini, but my other Chanel bags don't seem to have this. So I don't know if this is new or if it's just on the seasonal bags, but it is an interesting detail. So yes, I'm so thrilled with my new bag and also with my new earrings from Dior. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye.